ethics and code of conduct. What is the code of ethics and what is the code of conduct? Both of them aim at ethical governance. Both of them aim at ethical governance. There should be ethical governance. So the agenda of both of them is the ethical governance, right? Both of them aim to increase the efficiency in an organization. Both of them aim to increase the efficiency in an organization. Okay, both of them aim to increase the efficiency in an organization. So what is the difference between code of ethics and code of conduct? What is the difference between the two? So the code of ethics, just you can write this word, it is an aspirational document. Whereas code of conduct is a directory or directive document. When I say it is aspirational document, and when I say it is directive document. What is aspirational? An aspirational document means it sets the highest of the benchmark, the highest of benchmark. So this is a person and this person aims at achieving the highest of the benchmark. So we aspire to be honest, we aspire to be ethical, we aspire to be integral, neutral, non-partisan, objective, rational, selfless, leadership. You have high aspirations. So this is an aspirational document. Code of ethics sets the highest benchmark possible. Whereas the code of conduct, it is directive in nature, that do this, don't do this, you are supposed to follow this, you are not supposed to follow this. So it is giving direction. And this is aspirational in nature. It is an aspirational document and it is a directional document. Aspirational document and you can write directional document. Okay, so this is about a code of ethics and code of conduct. They basically, code of ethics highlights values that should be followed in general in life. Highlights the value that are supposed to be followed in general in life. Whereas code of ethics, it provides for specific rules and regulation. What are the specific rules and regulations that are to be followed in an organization? Okay. So this is about a code of ethics and code of conduct. The code of conduct, code of ethics, they are very broad in nature. They are very broad. They are broad guidelines. Whereas the code of conduct, they are specific do's and don'ts. What are the specific do's and don'ts? They provide these specific do's and don'ts. Violation of code of ethics does not lead to penal action. So there is no penal action that is attached with the code of ethics. Whereas the violation of code of conduct leads to your penal action. Okay. Violation of code of ethics implies moral failure. There is some moral failure. So if you have not complied with the code of ethics, it will imply moral failure. Whereas this can violation can imply business failure of the organization. It focuses on the duty and it focuses on the compliance. There is your compliance. Focuses on duty, it focuses on compliance. For example, the code of ethics can be saying that do your duty. Example of the code of ethics will be do your duty. Everybody knows that we have to do our duty. It is do your duty. Be honest. Be honest. This is your code of ethics. Okay. Whereas the example of the code of conduct can be code of conduct, all India service conduct rules. You can write all India service conduct rules. Central services conduct rule. You can say central service conduct rules. So this is about your code of ethics and code of conduct. So both of them, they aim at ethical governance. Both of them aim to increase the efficiency, but there is a difference between them.